Hey, it's Brian from Basin Boat Lighting. Just finished putting together some of our BrightBirds. I want to show you this item. It's a battery backup for all of our SmartLine products. You can take this and use it with your own home tool favorite battery. Insert it. Plugs in just like it does in your boat. And the whole system is now operational. This would be a great idea for kayaks, for people who don't have power supplies, to have something on board, to be able to have light, phone charger, etc. Simple, small, does the job. Let's go outside and see what this BrightBird can do.